and welcome to the Scrap Room. I'm Tina Gale here with your April 2026 Double Shot Kit. So your Double Shot Kit comes out every month and includes 2 brand new collections. You get cardstock, pattern paper, and embellishments. You'll also have access to 2 recipe cards. These are double page layouts that our design team creates for you. They'll give you their cutting and assembly instructions and a color photograph of the finished layout so you can create right along with them. You also get access to a free exclusive cut file. This month is this awesome scissor background cut file. So if you have an electronic die cut machine, then cut this up and use it on your projects. It's going to be a super fun background. This month our 2 collections are Echo Park Easter Basket and Simple Stories Pink Lemonade. I don't know about you, but I'm ready for spring. Our weather's been crazy. We're warm one day, freezing the next. So it's time for a little warm colors and flowers. So let's dig in and take a closer look at everything that you're going to get in this month's kit. Please remember I film early, so sometimes we have to swap out cardstocks. You will receive the same color, but the names may change a little bit. But I have 2 sheets of Jetstream and 1 sheet of Wisteria, which matches perfect with this Echo Park Easter basket. These beautiful florals, and the back is a tone-on-tone with a little blue cross stitch. And then we have this smaller floral, and again a tone-on-tone with purple polka dots. Super cute banner with the eggs and the Happy Easter, and the back on that one is like a sprinkle in the orange tone-on-tone. So that's going to be a lot of fun to create with. And then everyone will receive the 12 by 12 sticker sheet. So I love this. This would be a great title. Super cute icons here with the bunny and the chick, the banner. We have this large scalloped, it's a green gingham with florals and a border strip with the Easter eggs, word labels, tags, all kinds of things. Look at these cute little carrots that are going to be perfect to sprinkle in your projects. So that is Easter Basket by Echo Park. Our next collection is Pink Lemonade from Simple Stories, and I could not wait to get my hands on this collection. I think it is super cute. So you're going to start with 2 sheets of white cardstock, and then we have Carmine Rose cardstock, so just a bright pink. Our pattern paper is this one, Spread Your Wings, which is a gorgeous butterfly. These are perfect for fussy cutting, super simple to cut out. The back is a pink polka dot. We have this paper called Main Squeeze. Love all the little splotches of color and the tape here with different fruits. The back is a white polka dot on yellow. And then we have a cut apart sheet here. These are the journal elements, which is always a lot of fun. You get different sizes, which makes it a lot more options than just a 3x4 or whatever. You can cut these apart for little labels. We have a smaller one here, super cute. And the back is this gorgeous gingham with these pink florals. So that just screams summer. So that is your pattern paper. For your embellishments, these will vary among the kits, but you're going to get some chipboard pieces. So I put the chipboard down here that I received. And then you're going to get an assortment of the bits and pieces, the journal bits, and those are all up here, as well as some enamel dots. So again, those will vary, but I got the yellow ones. So super cute. So that is Pink Lemonade from Simple Stories. One more look at your Double Shot Kit. Be sure to check out all the other kits available in the store. If you want more product, check out the flavors of the month. We have add-ons to make that go even further. Lots of individual items. If you want to try some of the other kits, we have some older ones in the store that you can pick up for a great deal. Thanks so much for watching, and we can't wait to see what you create with your kits.